Today I'm going to talk about the biggest risk to you when you're living under the same roof with the narcissist you're trying to divorce. But first, will you please subscribe to my channel? That's how these videos are going to reach more of the people who really need to hear this information. I'm Victoria McCooey. I'm a narcissist divorce coach, a motivational speaker, and the creator of the Reclaim Your Power system. I help people every day who are right where you are, stuck in a toxic marriage to a narcissistic spouse, or already engaged in a contentious divorce from one. All right, so you want to hear the biggest risk if you're living with your narcissist while you're going through a divorce? Here it is. They're going to try to bait you into doing something that is going to hurt your case. They're going to try to set you off so that you act out and lash out, yell, hit, throw something, do something, say something that you regret, and they're going to use this against you. They will call the police, they'll file a report, they'll get a restraining order, they'll try to kick you out of the house. And if these things happen, it can really, really affect your ability to get custody of your children. So it's all premeditated. I know this is scary stuff. This is not a joke. They will do anything. And this is what we've talked about before, that there are no boundaries. You may think, oh, no, he would never do that to me. He will. He absolutely will. If he's a narcissist, he will do anything and everything. So please be careful. This is another reason why you can't take the bait. You can't engage in these arguments. You have to be on your best behavior. You have to live your life as if everything is getting recorded, everything's on video, everything's being recorded, everything's on audio. Everything you say or do will become evidence in your case. So this is hard. You're living under a microscope. This is the hardest part of the whole thing. So hopefully you can make this a very short period of time and figure out how to live separately right away. But in the meantime, this is really stressful. You need to also do lots of things to relieve the stress, because this 24/7 stress is going to make you sick, right? We don't know how long this is going to last. You have to behave in a way that you don't hurt yourself, and at the same time, it's so stressful that you're hurting yourself physically, right? It's like a double-edged sword. But this is the time for you to meditate regularly, to do things that are relaxing. I know it seems impossible, but you've got to work on emptying your mind. If you don't give your mind a chance to be empty, then your body can never really relax. And you can't live at this level of stress 24/7 without getting sick. Something is going to be compromised, because we are wired just like the animals in the wilderness, right? When they see a predator, their whole body chemistry changes and they go into fight or flight, and their eyesight changes, their digestive enzymes change. Everything is altered so that they can run as fast as they can and save their lives. That's the state your body is in when you're engaged in this sort of anxiety-riddled circumstance. So if, unlike the deer in the woods who sees a predator, they go right back. As soon as the predator's gone, they go back to a normal body chemistry and they're fine. You're never going back to a regular body chemistry because you're living in this situation 24/7. Your body has to have a chance to relax and heal. So this is not just for fun. This is actually for your health. You've got to meditate, relax, take baths, go for walks, read, do the things that take your mind off of this so that you can heal. Is this something you're going through? Would you like some help? You can book a call with me. I'll put a link in the description below. Did you find this information helpful? I hope you did. If you liked this video, will you please give it a thumbs up? and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I've linked a couple of other videos here that I think you might also like, so I hope I see you in the next video.